If you have a doubt regarding billing in Beyond, do not hesitate to go on the Manage Account section in the Billing section, and here you'll find all of the interesting information that you might need. First, you can find your plan just right here, and your payment details just right here, if you need to change them, for instance. You can also find your invoice details, so do not forget to have them filled. And if needed, you can download some transactions. Let's say, for instance, you want to see all of the transactions that have been made in the last 2 weeks, so you can select the date range and you can download them. In the billing and invoices section, you will see all of the payments and invoices that have been generated in the past, the statements, so all of the different transaction lines that have been taken into account for a specific period of time. So here, for instance, starting from the 29th of June to the 29th of July, we can download the statement details and I can see every line that has been taken into account for this specific period. I can also follow up on the credits that I received from Beyond just right here. If at some point you decide to share Beyond with a friend, for instance, do not hesitate to copy this link just right here, and you will beneficiate from some credits on your account.